Hiccup. It's okay. Denial is part of the grieving process.
Does it look like I care? I don't care. I don't care. Vikings are pussies.
It's serious, son. When you carry this axe, you carry all of us with you. Which means you walk like us, you talk like us, you think like us. No more of this.
I don't even care.
If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all this.
I don't care.
Wait. Oh, I'm hurt.
I don't care. Look at my fucking leg.
You must feel horrible. You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend.
Does it look like I fucking care?
Thinking about this all wrong. It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
I don't care.